together in an effort to spread the message of awareness about the deadly coronavirus. They've released a song titled EKHULUMA. The group's leader, Khuzani joins us now via Skype from Gandla in KwaZulu-Natal. A very good morning to you, Mr. Mpongose. Tell us about this activity and this song.
Yes, what I would like to say, as a Maskandi artist, me and Jaiva Alim Kube, Abafana Mkumeni, Ngeka, we have decided to come up with a song just to spread the message to the community, because we cannot stay and fold our hands claiming as if there is nothing we see in our country or in the world as a whole. So we decided to come up with a song and spread the message, because our leaders are there to speak with the people, and there is only one way to pass the message to the community. We are passing it with through music.
So beyond the song, how will you ensure that your intended markets get to hear the song and interact with the message?
As you know that in other communities, they are struggling to get some radios or televisions, but they're able to hear our music through social medias and everywhere. So we know how to pass the message to our people, because me as Khuzani, I have a lot of fans who's waiting to hear from me that what I'm saying to them about this. So we are spreading the message to the people to follow the precautions and to respect our leaders. And thanks for Minister of Health, thanks for the whole leaders from all political parties to put aside the ideological differences and face the war against the coronavirus.
So how can people access the song?
They like it, they enjoy it, and they promised us that they will do exactly what we are saying to them. Because in the song we are saying just they must sanitize regularly, they must follow all the precautions, all the measures from our government. They must keep social distancing. They must avoid to touch their nose, their eyes, because we all know that this virus can get into the body through that. So we are hoping that people are listening, and people they are going to do exactly what they've told by our leaders.
Which platforms is the song on?
It's on radio stations. It's on the social medias. It's everywhere. It's on we are sharing it on WhatsApp. We are sharing it with everything. So we are playing as we are staying at home. And then says exactly who abaholi bethu abathi asiwenze. And let me thank all the people who participated in the songs, like Ilo Manyati, the Stelos, the Mane, all the studios, everybody who supported us to release the song. I would like to say thank you. I'm not alone. We are so many in this song, but today, because of the lockdown, I'm alone who's representing them on TV.
Siceli, social media handle for the song, for access, for people who would like to listen to it.
Bengangena lapha Khuzani, King Zamlenze, Ungose, Facebook. Like page lapho ikhona ingoma, bengaya Khuzani Mpongose on Instagram, bengaya ke ku Facebook, kubathandi bakaMaskandi lapha izinqwele zikaMaskandi. They can listen to Khuzani, they can listen on the radio station, they will hear the song. We are spreading the message.
Thank you very much, Khuzani Mpongose. Just give us a sense in Gandla in terms of the lockdown, what's happening there?
Here in Gandla, people are staying in their homes. I don't see anyone roaming on the street here. So it's quite swift just ngajwayelekanga engisibonayo lokho kodwa kusinika into ethi abantu bakithi bayalalela kakhulu ngoba wonke umuntu uhlalele ubhalweni ukuthi akafuni lento ukuthi ayithole esekuyona ngoba sihleli nje sibuka ama-television silalela imisakazo sifunda amaphepha siyabona ukuthi ngempela kukhulunywa igama elithi asihlalele ezindlini. So la enkandla isimo sicebile quiet awuzwa lutho nje abantu bonke bahlonipha kakhulu bahloniphile kakhulu isinqumo sikamongameli wezwe so ukuthi ahlale endlini in 21 days.
Siyabonga bhuti.
Ngibonga kakhulu.
Khuzani Mbongo said they're talking to us about a song. We'll try and source it and play it for you later on the show. Let's take a break now. We're going to look at